Hello, I'm AI Sam. Welcome to Keeping Your Memories Safe. AI unlocks lost family memories. Welcome! Today we are going to talk and help preserve your memories using AI technology in digitizing some history moments. Today we show every senior 60 plus how to use AI technology to save your life's legacy, including helping Arthur and Rose with a box of old photos.
These photos are fading. Our grandkids won't know their history if we don't save them now.
I want to write my memoirs, but I don't know where to start. AI Sam, can you help us?
AI is your personal historian. We will turn this box of dust into a digital treasure chest.
AI technology, scan this and fix the scratches so we can see the details again. It's great that it shows restored photo and I receive a message. Tablet AI, restoration complete.
Date: June 1958. We have a lot of memories that we need to digitize. Detroit. That image quality was enhanced by 400%. It looks brand new. I can see the expression on my mother's face.
The colors are beautiful. Even Daisy wants to see the old days. She looks like she wants a ride in that vintage car. Multiple photos are popping up on the computer. Just talk to the AI, and it writes your book for you.
AI, tell the story of the day I met Arthur at the dance in 1962. It smelled like honeysuckle.
Chapter 1. The Summer Social. Drafting memories now. I have captured the atmosphere of the dance.
It caught every detail.
It even recorded the name of the band. This is professional literature. This is the power of AI technology.
Imagine your great-grandkids hearing your voice a century from now. Marmalade thinks she's the star.
I want a section for every family pet we've ever had. AI Sam, please hit the share button.
You can send your life stories to family anywhere in the world with just one single click. Even the funny pics like Daisy in Detective Hat. Detective Daisy is on the case. She found my old love letters from when I was overseas. AI Sam. Subscribe to the AI Success Team today. We make technology easy for every senior 60 plus. Desk. Marmalade bats at the button. Even the cat wants you to hit that bell. Don't miss our next lesson for successful seniors. I'll show you a digital cookbook.
The AI cookbook. We will ensure your secret family recipes are never forgotten by the kids. Look at this. It's a vintage stained recipe card. AI technology. Can you read my mother's faded handwriting? I can't make out the measurements anymore. Tablet will translate showing in typed recipe.
Tablet AI. Recipes saved. It's Grandma's secret apple pie. Faded text corrected and scaled for modern pans. I'm sure Daisy smells it.
Daisy is the official taste tester. She says, the pie needs more cinnamon. She's a tough critic.
I'll give it another command. Tablet AI. Daily legacy prompt. Describe your favorite childhood toy and who gave it to you. My old rag doll, Penny.
AI makes it so fun to remember. I haven't thought of her in years. These are some military papers. Please AI, summarize these service records so my grandson can understand my military history easily. It created a summary with my military badge. Tablet AI, service record organized. I need a summary, a story of honor. A timeline is now ready for my grandson. He's going to be so proud.
I finally found a way to share my story that he will enjoy. Marmalade on keyboard. I need to get a photo of that. Marmalade is writing her memoir. 10 ways to get more tuna from Grandpa. She's a fast typist.
She's saying hello to her ancestors. Good girl, Daisy, you're part of the history too. I noticed AI shows a lock icon.
AI technology can vault your files. Your private family memories must stay private. I'm looking at my digital book. This is a real professional biography.
I never thought I'd be a published author at my age. I seize my emails from our grandkids. The grandkids will love the farm stories.
This technology has brought us all closer together. Your memory? What is the one memory your family must never forget? Tell us in the comments below your photo moments. Daisy is excited. She's wagging her tail at puppy photo. She found her puppy picture. She's still just as cute today. What a happy dog. Take a look. It shows audio waves and records your own voice reading your book. Your family can hear you whenever they miss you.
I'm reading into my phone. It was the most beautiful summer of my life. My voice sounds so clear and professional.
This is the best use of technology. We are saving our hearts and our history for the kids.
AI versus AL sign. This is AI technology. AI for artificial intelligence. It is not a man named AL. AI Sam is a synthetic, AI-generated spokesman. Visuals, scripts, and voices are AI-assisted for entertainment in this video of all people and pets, for educational purposes only. Asterisk errors in external content. We are not responsible for errors, omissions, or harmful suggestions found within third-party software, including incorrect pricing, outdated data, or information.
Question: AI. Who is the lady in the blue hat? The name is on the tip of my tongue. Please help. Wow, it helped me. Tablet shows Aunt Martha.
The tablet AI. Match found. That is Great Aunt Martha at the 1968 reunion. I found in 3 other images.
You can't bury the digital legacy under the rug like a bone. Always back up digital files in 2 places. Use an external drive and a secure cloud service. Never share passwords or social security numbers with AI tools.
Protect your identity carefully.
Start your legacy project today. Don't wait until photos fade. Your family will thank you.
Everything is better with the family. More to come. For humans, this content is not a substitute for professional, medical, financial, or legal advice.
It's important. Use of AI technology for planning is at your own risk. 2-factor screen. I'm using my phone to lock the vault.
I feel extra safe knowing I give permission to enter. Heritage folder. AI. Help me catalog my jewelry. I want my daughter to know the history of her grandmother's ring. Daisy is the keeper of family secrets.
She takes her new job very seriously. You are taking control of your story. That is what true success looks like. Blank piece of paper for you to fill it in. You are a pioneer. AI-generated info can contain errors. Always verify important dates and names with family records.
I'm going to colorize his photo. I have hundreds more. This will be fun.
I remember that red tie. AI technology got it almost right, and I nudged it to perfection. Tablet AI. Transcription. Dearest Rose, I am so proud of the woman you have become. We love you.
Hit subscribe to help us reach more seniors who want to stay independent. What's your oldest photo? Tell us the story in the comments now.
Marmalade, you love watching the screen. The future is bright for us and our pets. We are all learning to live better with AI.
Technical accuracy. AI-generated content may produce hallucinations. Users must verify all technical steps, dates, and instructions against current official software interfaces or service provider. Consult a licensed veterinarian doctor regarding any health concerns or symptoms you or your pets may have. And with the right instructions, we keep these precious digital memories locked away safely. No part of this video may be reproduced without permission. Stay safe, stay connected.
AI found the exact corner where Grandpa's store was. The memories are right there on the map. Every square is a different memory.
A living history book for our family to explore. Cat on scanner. No, Marmalade. We aren't scanning the cat today. You silly girl.
Respect your past, but protect your digital future. Preserve your hard-earned wisdom. Features AI Sam, an AI spokesman, uses AI-assisted visuals, scripts, and voice. Contains synthetic media, avatar, people, pets, voice, for entertainment, educational storytelling, errors, omissions, and human error protection. The creators of the AI Automation Success Team strive for quality. However, this video may contain clerical errors, typos, misspellings, omissions. Our memories used to live in dusty boxes. But today, AI is helping us polish those old stories. AI technology can learn to restore the faces or places we love, bringing clarity to the past we hold dear. All content provided as is, without warranties. Info, interfaces, and third-party offers change rapidly. Content may be outdated or contain human error. Join our family. Let's learn to preserve your story together. Please hit subscribe button. It helps support these videos. Thank you.